Yeah, well, let's go down. Center, Alaska, 1282, we're declaring emergency. We're descending down to 10,000. Safety pressurized. Portland, Alaska, or Seattle, Alaska, 1282, we just depressurized. We're declaring emergency. We need to descend down to 10,000.
Alaska 1282, roger, descend, maintain 10,000, 10,000, and when able to take your nature emergency here in Texas.
We just depressurized, descend and maintain 10,000, and we need to return back to Portland.
1282, roger, descend, maintain 10,000, and Portland altimeter
3023, flight present heading to Alaska 1282. And Portland, Seattle, Alaska 1282. We need to return back to Portland if we can get one.
Okay, stand by. I'm going to contact Portland and let them know your issue. You just have a pressurization problems. Are you going to need any assistance on the ground?
Yes, we need it. We've declared an emergency, and we have 177 passengers on board, and we have our fuel is 18,900. Present heading Alaska 1282. Left heading 340 Alaska 1282. All right, 118.1 Alaska 1282. Hey, Portland approach Alaska 1282, emergency aircraft now leveling 12,000 and a left turn heading 340.
Alaska 1282, phone approach, good afternoon. You still have information zero?
Yeah, we do have information zero. We'd like to get lower if possible.
Alaska 1282, just going to maintain 7,000.
Just going to maintain 7,000, Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, did you declare an emergency or just need to return to the...
Yes, we are emergency. We are depressurized. We do need to return back to, we have 177 passengers. Fuel is 18.8.
Alaska 1282, rudder. Alaska 1282, and just say again your fuel and passengers on board.
Our fuel is 18,900 pounds, and we have 177 passengers on board.
Alaska 1282, rudder. And do you need time to burn off some fuel before you land?
Negative.
Alaska 1282, so you're ready for the approach now? Is 28 left okay?
We need about 10 minutes for Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, rudder. Just let me know when you're ready.
We'll let you know, Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, can I just back to you in a box pattern in that area, or do you want to stay on a heading for a longer period of time?
If we can take a couple delay vectors, we're going to get set up for the approach. And
Alaska 1282, sounds good. Turn left heading 280, I'll just box you around in this area here.
All right, 280 on the heading, thanks, Alaska 1282.
And Alaska 1282, sorry to bother you again, are you okay at 7, or do you want lower?
And Portland, Alaska 1282, we are ready for the approach, and we'd like to do the approach.
Alaska 1282, can you get down from there, or you want to give you a box around to get down?
We can get down, Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, no problem if I clear you from there. It looks like you're on a localizer.
Clear for the approach, Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, you're over Hitster, cleared out 23 left approach.
Cleared out left approach, Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, I just want to verify no problems making descend. We can bounce you back around for another approach if you like.
I think we got it, Alaska 1282. Thank you.
Alaska 1282, no problem. Contact tower 123.77. Have a good night.
2377, good night, 1282. Portland Tower 1282, we're on the ILS 3 last emergency aircraft.
Alaska 1282, Portland Tower, wind 160 at 11, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 28 left, Alaska 1282.